Welcome to this technical guide on the Silvercrest SKMC 1200. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 is making a weird buzzing noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises from a failing motor, which can lead to further complications if left unattended. Over time, the buzzing can escalate, affecting the overall performance of your device and potentially leading to complete failure. Addressing this issue promptly can save you time and money in the long run. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specifically for the SKMC 1200, tweezers, and a soft cloth to protect the surface. First, ensure the device is unplugged. Carefully use a small screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the Silvercrest SKMC 1200. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently pry open the casing, being cautious not to apply too much force as this can damage the plastic clips. Once the casing is off, locate the motor. It will typically be the component that vibrates when the device is in use. You may need to disconnect a few wires to access it fully. Take note of how these connections are made as you will need to replicate them when installing the new motor. Using your tweezers, carefully extract the faulty motor from its housing. Remember to handle it gently to avoid damaging surrounding components. Replace it with the new motor, ensuring that it fits snugly in place. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are secure and in the correct positions. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the casing back on, ensuring that everything fits together as it should. Reinsert the screws, tightening them just enough to hold everything securely without over-tightening, which could cause damage. Finally, plug in your Silvercrest SKMC 1200 and turn it on to check that the buzzing has stopped and everything is functioning as it should. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, ensure your device is regularly cleaned and maintained. Avoid overloading it during use and always store it in a dry environment to keep the internal components in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.